Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss very important topic of the chapter, that is digestion in ruminants and the small organisms called amoeba. Okay, first of all, let's understand the digestion in ruminants such as cows and buffaloes. Let's have a look on their digestive system. Their digestive parts start with the esophagus, a pipe-like structure called esophagus. Then their stomach is chambered. This all is their stomach. It is chambered. It has the broader part called rumen. Then this part is called cecum. Cacum, cecum. Then it has a small intestine. This part you are seeing here, it is large intestine. Okay, then you must have noticed they continuously keep on chewing something in their food. So what are they chewing? Happy Dent, Centrofresh or what? No, they are not chewing these things. Actually, there is a very different process of digestion in them. So whatever food or grass we are offering them, they quickly swallow at that time. From here, they swallow the food quickly and then it reaches to their stomach, where it is partially digested. Partially means not completely, half digested, and is called cud. The partially digested food inside their stomach is called cud. Then after some time, cud starts returning in their mouth in small amounts, slowly, and this process is called rumination. So when the cud returns from the stomach to the mouth, this process is rumination, and these organisms that undergo this process, they are called ruminants. So you can get 1 mark questions from this. First of all, what is cud? You can mark from here. What is cud. You can write the partially digested food in the stomach of ruminants such as cows and buffaloes is called cud. Then you can get another question, what is rumination? You can mark from here. The cud returns till rumination. Then what are ruminants? You can discuss cows and buffaloes. Then note down the very important thing. Have you ever thought we cannot consume the grass, whereas cows, buffaloes, they can easily consume? So why this is so? So let's understand the grass. It is actually rich in the carbohydrate named as cellulose. Cellulose can be digested by very specific bacteria. So these organisms, the ruminants, they have bacteria to digest cellulose in their body, whereas human beings, we do not have that bacteria. That is why we cannot digest grass. So you can get this question also, 2 or 3 marks question, why human beings cannot consume grass or raw vegetables. And another question you can get, describe the digestion process in ruminants. Note down, you need not to draw any diagram for this. You can simply write down the digestive process, this all parts, rumination, cud, and you can write down the parts, esophagus, cecum, rumen, all parts, and describe the process. You need not to draw diagram for this. Then note down the other thing, some animals such as horses, they have cecum, this part cecum present between their esophagus and small intestine. Clear? The location is different. Cecum is present between the esophagus and small intestine, means here this part, and they also have cellulose to digest the grass. Okay, let's go to the next topic, that is digestion and feeding in amoeba. So amoeba is a very small organism. Its body is made of one cell only. It has the body structure like this. So this is body of the amoeba. It has the cell wall, and inside its body is filled with a liquid that is called cytoplasm, and it has the part nucleus. Nucleus is the central part. Or remember, in all the cells, nucleus is the central or main part of the body that controls the whole functioning of the body. Then it has the projections of the body that are bulging outside. These are called pseudopodium or false feet. Okay, understand this pronunciation. Whenever any word starts from the ps, then we pronounce it as start from the s. P is silent there, so we will pronounce it as pseudopodium. Okay, so whenever any food particle comes near its body, then it bulges its pseudopodia, and the food particle enters here in its body. Then it slowly enters into its body and is digested here, and then after the digestion some waste is also there that is not needed by its body, that will be released out from the other end of the body, that is called egestion. And then it has vacuoles also inside its body. So this is all about the digestion in amoeba. Okay, you can get 1 mark question from this. Name the false feet present in the amoeba. Answer is pseudopodium or pseudopodia. Then its diagram is also very important. You should know how to draw its diagram and the labeling of all the parts. Identify this is the nucleus, pseudopodium, the vacuoles, and the digestion in the amoeba. So this is very important question. I hope you have got it. Thank you.